Hello guys, we are now in Wireless IoT Tomorrow event and we are showcasing some of the latest innovation from Adsum Networks in partnership with InPlay. And what we are showcasing here is our product portfolio from the satellite scanners, the traditional ones that can read 400 packets per second of this type of devices. These Bluetooth beacons that are today costing less than $1 and will be deployed in hundreds of thousands in a single operation. So these devices will be sending data, and you want to capture this data in the most cost-efficient way possible. So what we have produced is scanners that would receive this data and read it at a certain read rate. Currently, these scanners can do 400 readings per second, and we have the battery-operated version that can do the same thing, that can do the reading and then transmit the data to the nearest gateways. We'll talk about the gateways later. And then the new addition to this portfolio is this device here, which is based on the latest module from InPlay called the Stellar module. And this module here allowed us to move the reading from 400 readings per second to more than 1,500 readings per second. And this is a game changer. Now we are in par with the reading rates that are being talked about in the RFID space. And imagine a device like this that costs under $100, that has 3 channels. Each channel could read from one direction. So imagine a pallet full of products, and on each product you have a tag like this. There are today even paper thin tags, on a similar price range. And a pallet full of these tags, 10,000, and you can read them in few seconds using a reader like this one. And this reader has 3 antennas for reading and 1 antenna for transmitting to the gateways. And then when it comes to the gateways, we have all different form factors. We have the indoor, LTE, Wi-Fi, PoE, and BLE gateway. And we have the outdoor version. We have the compact one, which does LTE and BLE, and we have the Wi-Fi and BLE version. That's the first part, which is reading the data from the actual beacons. Now, the second addition to this is the fact that this module can do a two-way communication with low-cost devices. Here is the development kit of the bi-directional IN612, this one. And this device would allow you to do not only a broadcasting as any beacon does, it does a two-way communication. So think of a ESL, electronic shelf label, that you want to send data to and receive data from, not only receive data from. Or think of a bracelet like this, a wearable, that you want to trigger vibration. So you call in your patient, you call in your employee, or you alarm them about something, or it could even flash a light. You want to trigger that flashlighting remotely, wirelessly. So you want a two-way communication device. And with this module here, you can connect to thousands of these two-way communication devices actively. So you can connect to thousands of these and tens of thousands of these. And this is what we are showcasing and announcing in this show at the Wireless IoT Tomorrow with Adsum Networks and InPlay. Thank you very much.